CHE students. I'm extremely excited to welcome you all back to Christina Huddleston Elementary. If you are in kindergarten, first or second grade, you'll be seeing me on Monday. Now, before I get started to talk to you a little bit about the changes at Christina Huddleston, I wanted to share that all teachers will be wearing a mask like I have on, a face shield, and they also will be using a microphone like this to help you hear when they're wearing their face shields. Okay, boys and girls, let's get started. But before we do, I am lucky enough to be in my office, so I'm going to remove my face shield. And I'm going to remove my mask so you can see my face. But I'm going to keep the mic on so that you can hear my presentation better. All right, let's get started. Boys and girls in kindergarten, first and second grade, I get to see you on Monday. For students in grades 3, 4, and 5, I will see you on Monday, February 8th. What will it look like when you come back to Christina Huddleston? Well, it's going to be very similar to how it was when it was in hybrid. We are going to continue to sanitize and spray down surfaces. Instead of being 6 feet apart, we're only going to need to be 3 feet apart. However, your teachers will need to remain 6 feet away from you. And if they can't, they will use a plexiglass barrier. All students will need to continue to wear masks. Yep, even in Phi-Ed. However, we are going to start to use lockers. So on the first day back, check with your teacher and they will help you get into your new lockers. You're also going to need to know that there's going to be changes on the bus. You're going to have assigned seats on the bus. When you come off the bus, you'll be asked to come into the building and go directly to your classroom or your lockers. If you're eating breakfast, you will have time to go into the cafeteria and get your breakfast and go to your classroom to eat your breakfast. If you're being dropped off by your parents, you can enter the building at 8:30 and do the same thing just like in hybrid. You can go directly to your classroom, or again, if you need breakfast, you can go to breakfast. You will get to still go to specialists just like you did in hybrid. However, if you're in 5th grade, you will continue to have band in a distance learning model. And nope, we're not checking out library books yet, but we're working on it. You're going to have assigned seats in your classroom, just like you did in hybrid. You can eat snacks in your classroom, but please try to make them nut-free. And we're going to continue to clean the classroom every single night so that it's safe for you to come back into school. For students in kindergarten, first and second grade, you get to eat lunch in the lunchroom just like you did during hybrid, except you'll be spread out a bit more. For students in grades 3 through 5, you will be eating in your classroom, which will be a change. So again, if you're bringing lunch from home, for students in grades 3, 4, or 5, please try to make it peanut-free. If not, you may have to eat in the office to keep students with allergies safe. We'll not be able to have visitors during lunch, and for recess, we still are going to need to remain in zones. But you do still get to remove your mask when you're outside. For dismissal, if you're a bus rider, it will be the exact same just in hybrid, but you will have an assigned seat on the bus. If you are getting picked up, things are going to change a bit. We're going to be going outside and lining up along the sidewalk just like we used to. We're going to need to socially distance, and we're going to need to watch for our parents, and they're going to try to keep their signs. At least I've asked them to help us get you safely into their cars. Now, boys and girls, this is very important. We're going to continue to use Seesaw even when we're in school. So it's important to bring your iPad fully charged when you come back to school. And if you're feeling sick, be sure to tell your mom and dad that you're not feeling very well so that you can stay home and get healthy, and so you don't come to school and get others sick. And if you have to stay home because someone might have gotten you sick, we'll be sure to send work on Seesaw or packets home to help you. Boys and girls, I'm so excited to welcome you back to Christina Huddleston Elementary. I look forward to your smiling faces underneath your masks and seeing your eyes light up when you learn something new. I can't wait to see you. Have a great day, boys and girls. I'll see you all soon.